Hi, welcome to Kitchen Revelations.
Today's recipe is poha upma.
Poha is a much loved Indian food. In today's recipe, I have used red poha. Red poha is rich in calcium, magnesium, manganese and selenium. This variant of rice protects you from osteoporosis and fractures. Poha is considered as a good meal option for diabetics as it controls blood sugar level. It is also easily digestible and keeps you full for longer, thus aiding weight loss. It is a good probiotic food and is healthy for the gut. By now you would have known the health benefits of poha, so let's quickly get on to the recipe. So first I have taken 250 grams of red poha. To that I have added 2 cups of boiled and cooled water. Soak poha for 2 to 5 minutes. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon next to it for regular updates. Meanwhile, heat a pan. Add 2 tablespoons oil, 1 cup peanuts. Roast till they turn crispy. Once golden brown in color, remove them onto a plate and keep aside. Into the remaining oil, add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once they start to splutter, add finely chopped 2 medium-sized onions. Saute the onions till they turn translucent or pink. Now add 2 finely chopped green chilies. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon hing powder, a sprig of curry leaves, juice of 1 whole lemon. Mix everything well. Meanwhile, our poha has been soaking for 5 minutes. Strain the poha into a colander. Add 1 teaspoon sugar and half a teaspoon salt and mix well. Now add the soaked poha into this sorted mixture. Add the roasted peanuts. Add finely chopped coriander leaves and gently toss the mixture. Ensure that you do not break the poha. Now cover and cook on very low flame for 2 minutes. So our healthy breakfast is ready. Garnish with some coriander leaves or grated coconut and with some lemon wedges. Do not forget that adding lemon gives you vitamin C and also helps you to absorb the iron content in poha. If you're new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay fit, stay healthy.